Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lola Omobaba. Thanks so much for joining my cooking classes. Thanks so much for always subscribing to my channel. Smash the like button if you have not done so. Hit the subscribe button and my notification bell. I'm going to be teaching you how to make skillet potato with sausage. These are all the ingredients I'm going to be using to make skillet potato with sausage. My potatoes are ready. My butter, one onion, the sausages is ready. And my red and green bell pepper is ready with all my spices, salts, and also vegetable oil. Start cutting and dicing your potatoes. Once you are finished peeling it, cut it and dice to the desired sizes. Then pour water in a plastic and rinse it properly, clean it properly. Put your pot on the cooker, measure about 4 spoons of vegetable oil. Then pour all your diced potato so as to fry it for about 20 minutes. Make sure you spread the potatoes properly so that it can fry well. Then start slicing and dicing your sausages into the desired sizes. Also take your red bell pepper, remove all the unwanted seeds and the unnecessary things and start cutting and dicing it properly. Also take your green bell pepper, start dicing it properly, uniformly into the desired sizes. Then take your onion, slice it, cut it, and dice it into the desired sizes. Check on your potatoes. Once it is already getting golden brown, flip it properly and also try to wait for about 5 minutes if it's not properly done. After it has been done, then remove all the diced potatoes that you finished frying into your colander. Get another pot, put your butter in it and melt your butter. Make sure you melt it properly. Then pour in half of your onion, just half of your onion. Pour it and start stirring it properly for about 5 minutes so that the aroma and the nice flavor can come out. Then pour in your diced sausages. Stir it properly so that I can fry it in the butter for about 10 minutes. Once it's done, as you can see, the color is getting golden brown. Once it's done, add all your diced, the fried diced potatoes in it. Mix it properly. Start adding 1 teaspoon Kenya pepper, 1 teaspoon hot seasoned pepper. Add your 1 teaspoon ginger, 1 teaspoon of garlic pepper, 1 teaspoon grounded cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of salt. You can add 2 spoons of red pepper and stir them properly. Then add all your red bell pepper, green bell pepper, your onions. Add it, the diced onions. Stir it very well. As you can see, it's nice looking skillet potato with sausage is ready. Can you see the color, the nice looking golden color of the potato sausage? The skillet potato sausage is ready. Then transfer it in a container. Looks so yummy and inviting. Thanks so much for joining my cooking classes. Thanks so much.